YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair from looking like this to this. So we are going to be transforming my hair from looking flat and small to big and poofy with a lot of volume without washing my hair. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely stay tuned to the end of today's video to see the results. Go ahead and follow my social medias if you haven't, and they'll be on the screen, and then we're gonna get straight into the video. Alrighty, so this is how my curls are looking. Definitely very flat all around. The back is very flat, top is kind of flat, sides really flat, and I personally do not like my hair, my curls to be flat. I'm the type of girl, I love volume on every aspect. I like my hair to be big and poofy, whether it looks frizzy instead of defined. That's me. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, the first thing that I like to do is basically shake out my hair. So I'm going to split it in two. This is how it looks in the front. A little bit uneven. I really just woke up and threw some oil in my hair, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just shake out our hair. So run your fingers through and just shake. This definitely helps with a volume, as you can see, shaking out the curls. And you can do this as often as you would like. I always tend to do this right before I take pictures and before I enter a building or a place, or if you see me in person or if you see me in videos, I'm always touching and shaking out my hair because yes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just pick up these curls, just toss them to the side. Yep. And then as far as the bottoms, I like to go ahead and just fluff them out. This is how I would fluff them out. Now this is day 2 hair. So I did wash my hair and do my hair yesterday. So this is me after waking up. And you can already tell there is some volume that we just added. Of course, shake it out some more if you want some more. But these things that I do are really for the days that you don't want to wash your hair and redo your hair. This is just, me doing my hair without adding any water or any type of actual curl cream or actual thick product. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take my oil. Now, this is Jamaican black castor oil in the coconut, not flavored, but coconut scent. And then I did put it into this little bottle. This is how the bottle looks, but it is Jamaican black castor oil inside of here. As you guys can see, I'm running low. It used to be to the top. So you can get this at your local beauty supply store, hair store. I got this off of Amazon. I didn't know they had them at the hair store until I went to the hair store and I saw them there for $1 and change. But I spent $4 on this on Amazon. But anyways, so I like to go ahead and flip my hair kind of upside down sometimes not. It just depends on my mood. But because since I have a headache, y'all, I'm not gonna flip my hair upside down. So I'm gonna take it. I like to start in the front. So I'm gonna take it. It's like a comb. Take it until it can't go no more, until you're pulling your curls. Squeeze and pull back. So take it through and pull back. Squeeze and pull back. Squeeze and pull back. So you should be feeling that oil get on your scalp and your roots. You don't really want this on your hair. You want it on the scalp itself. So I'm gonna take it again till they really can't go no more. Squeeze and pull back, and you can hear it, And you can see the oil kind of being shiny. And pull back. It's also kind of like a little scalp massage, which I like. So, yeah. So I just did the top part of my hair and only the top because I didn't want to, I don't like to use this as a brush because it's not a brush. You don't want to accidentally brush out your curls with this top part. So I don't like to go all the way through. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to section off my hair really quickly. Just right here. And I'm going to go down, squeeze and pull back up. Down, squeeze and pull back up. And you want to squeeze while you're going up. Alright. Same thing on this side. Boom, let's go. Take it, flip it upside down. I'm gonna go down. I like to go down to my ear where my hair is, squeeze and pull back up. And then the exact same thing And you should be able to feel this. You want to make sure you're getting everywhere. So now for the back bottom parts, you're going to go and take it. The oil come out and you're just going to squeeze. Slide it and squeeze and pull back. Now you should feel the product getting on your scalp. It should be kind of cold. Since the oil is room temperature, it's kind of cold a little bit because we're in the wintertime. So you should be able to feel that on your scalp. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do, now that we're looking a little bit crazy, take your palms of your fingers and you're just going to go ahead and give yourself like a little scalp massage. But you really want to like work that oil into your roots. Oil is going to be your best friend with volume for my curly girls. If you guys did not know that. You're going to take it and you're going to like incorporate little shake motions with it. Watch. Trust. You really want to get it in there. Now, I like to do this also not just for volume, but to have my scalp oiled and moisturized and promote hair growth. So this is how we are looking so far. Boom. Now if you want even more volume, you can get even more volume. Now what I'm going to do is take this Canva volume spray. Now they did send this to me. I didn't buy this product. I definitely think that there are better products out there. It does say volume spray, which is why I kind of like to use it because I never used a hairspray before. But this is just what it says. Super Hope Finishing Spray. Like I said, I do think that there are better hairsprays out there. I just haven't had the time and experience to try them all out yet. So this is just what I use for now. So I'm going to go ahead and take it. Now beware, this stuff does have a smell. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to pick up this first section right here. Spray at the roots. Okay. Pick up this, even though these are like my bangs, I still pick them up. Spray at the roots, don't spray at the actual curls. And then, boom. Y'all see the difference? Please don't act like you don't see the difference. Okay. Now we're gonna proceed to do that with the rest of the hair. So I'm gonna like pick up, I might have to section off a little bit. And I'm gonna spray at the root. Pick up some more. Spray at the root. So you should feel that cold hair and that product be cold at the roots. If you're not feeling it at your roots, you're not doing it correctly. So add that. And as it's drying, I like to like fluff them out a little bit. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. And let's not act like, okay. As long as y'all see it. So we're gonna pick her up right here at the root, spray at the root, pick her up. And this stuff, y'all. Now I am going to pick out my hair. Like I said, we're trying to get the most volume. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna start on this side. So we're gonna pick it up and just pick going up. See the motions? When you get a little fast with it and a little advanced, you go a little crazy with it. Boom. Same thing on this side. You're really picking out the roots rather than the curls itself. And then never forget the back. So like separate that hair. And you see, look how much volume you got back there. We're looking like a basketball. Okay. Same thing on this side. Stagger with the pull. And shake them out. I'm telling you, shaking out your hair is going to be your best friend. Okay, so this is going to be the final look. As you can see from the beginning, we were looking very flat, very wasn't giving. Now we are giving big and poofy, lots of volume within 10 minutes. less than 10 minutes. So yeah, this is going to be the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you watch from the beginning to the end. Go ahead and follow my socials. They're on the screen. And then I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye.